Hello friends, this is Manish from Jagoinvestor.com, and I wanted to inform you about our upcoming workshop in Pune on 14th of March and in Mumbai on 21st of March. The topic for the session is Do It Yourself Financial Planning, DIY Financial Planning, where investors will be able to plan their own financial life on their own. So we are going to talk about 8 major financial goals. Okay, so apart from that, we'll also be talking about the basic fundamental topics. So if you are very new to investing, if you have no knowledge, even then you will understand everything. Apart from that, we'll also be talking about where to invest your money. So we will be talking about mutual funds, we'll be talking about types of mutual funds, we'll give you all the information which is needed. Okay, so let me share what is covered in the session. So we are going to talk about 8 major financial goals which every investor has to deal with. So things like life insurance, health insurance, emergency fund, retirement planning, children education planning, children marriage planning, buying house, and house down payment if you already have the house. So we'll be talking about these 8 things. This is the core of the session. And apart from that, we'll be talking about the associated topics like, for example, risk and return, the relationship between that, inflation, purchasing power, early investing, everything you can think of. Okay, and as I said, we'll be also talking about where to invest. Okay, so you can see that this is going to be a complete package in itself. Someone who has always been thinking of planning their own financial life, but they don't know where to start. Okay, so we'll give you all the step-by-step process. Okay, this session will be led by me and my business partner Nandish. So we'll be spending the full day with you, answering all your queries, clearing all your doubts. Okay, so who should come to this workshop? Someone who is beginner, who has just started and who is just thinking on how to plan out these things, they can come to this workshop. But even if you are in an experienced investors, even then you can come, and at least you can validate what you are doing is right or wrong. Okay. Apart from that, I would say in this session we are not going to do any stock tips or any kind of selling. So don't worry, it's going to be a pure education based workshop. Okay, so what are you waiting for? I would say, after this workshop, you will get a lot of clarity about your financial life. You will get the first step. I would say this workshop is kind of first gift to your financial life. Any investor, he must be thinking what to do, how to start. I would say they will give the first gift to their own financial life. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Just join for the workshop, grab some early bird discount which is going on right now. Okay, so don't lose on it. So see you on the workshop, and that's all. Thanks a lot. Bye.